Darren the Great. Happy for you.
Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Cooking Phenomenal. Today we're going to be doing another video. As you can see here, we have our frying pan on. So we're going to be doing some egg toast with bread, and I'm going to be putting some jam on mine. Today I'm going to be using my white bread for my egg toast. I'm going to be using just one slice. I'm just going to be using one slice to make this toast and show you exactly how I do it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting my butter in. I'm going to turn the stove wheel down until I whisk my egg wide open. Let's go ahead and turn our stove on. You know I gotta come with something for you, right? So I'm using a little piece of butter, unsalted, as you know how we do it. We're gonna be breaking the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs to do this right here. For me, to be honest, the only thing that I'm gonna be adding in mine is just a little bit. Let me do that, and then we whisk, right? Alright guys, I'm whisking away to make sure that I get this properly whisked. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper in this, just a little less than a teaspoon. I'm adding no salt. I don't need no salt in mine at all. Let's get this saturated. Just turn my stove down a little bit until I'm finishing cooking. And we'll whisk just the same way. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to be adding my egg to the butter. Want to make sure that you can use 3 eggs if you want. You can use 2. You can use whatever amount I want to use 2 for this purpose. We're going to go ahead and we're going to be cutting the bread, right? And we're going to put this in. You can use your hands or you can use mine, so I'm going to just use my hands. I'm going to flip it over like that. Flip it over. See? Once we get that, let me turn my stove back up a little bit more. And once we start to see the egg coming on, we will proceed with the final touch. So, for me, I like when mine is done just the way like this. You use a frying pan that will not stick your eggs. Because you got to make sure that you will get everything all over and distributed, right? Turn it over. In the meantime, while that is happening, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be slicing my cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. This one is way easier and way better to use. And I'm going to be slicing this in 2 pieces. Because I need them to add them to my meal. Alright? There we have. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to be turning. We have to be careful how we're turning this, because this is something that is very not hard. We have to have the right stuff and flip it quickly. See? Just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be adding my cheese right here. Add this other cheese right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my jelly. You have whatever jelly you have. This is the one that I'm using for mine. Alright? I put this in first because I like when it is covered with everything. I like it that way. And then I flip this up. Let me turn my stove down a little bit so I don't get my stuff burned. And I flip this over as well. And you're gonna do like you're pasting it, right? And then I take my time and I bring this over. See? Easy as that. I like when mine is done like this because everything is in the middle and I get it better like that. Then you make sure you press it down because I want to make sure that my cheese is also melted as well. But I also want to make sure that I have enough butter doing my toast. So you know without your butter you cannot get your toast, right? So get that together. Melt our toast. This smells so delicious. This is gonna be for me and me only. You can use your whole wheat bread because sometimes I use the whole wheat bread. I choose to use the white one today because I wanted to show you exactly how it's gonna look with the white bread because I know most of you use your other bread. And this is what we get. I want to press it right in to make sure that we get everything in. And I can just imagine how the jello is going to be inside of the middle of it right here. We want to make sure that the egg is getting a little bit toasted and the bread is getting a little bit toasted, and we flip it over. And guys, not in any long time, voila. So you can toast the bread and you can use the jello if you want. You don't have to. You can use whatever it is you want to use in your toast bread. You can use. I choose to use mine with the egg and the jello and get it like this. Smells so good. I cannot wait. So guys, here I have my toast right here already for you. So I'm gonna be cutting so you can see inside of the middle of my toast bread. Let me take my little time. This is gonna be so super delicious. Look at that. All the jello and all the cheese right inside of it. Thank you guys for watching Cooking Phenomenal. Make sure that I see you on my other videos. Thumbs up the video, guys. Make sure you thumbs up, click the like button, share it with a friend, tell a friend about Cooking Phenomenal, and make sure that you always support. And don't forget, my membership is out, guys. So all of my loyal people, them, click onto my membership and be a member today. So whenever I post, I think you guys are going to be the first one to see. You get your shout out, you get your whatever it is, so on and so forth. Support a girl. Thank you guys for watching and keep in touch with Cooking Phenomenal. I will see you on our next video.